guys, for today's video, the Nesto Hypermarket give me a gift wrap. What kind of gift is this? I will unboxing, guys. Oh, what's inside? Oh, unboxing. Thank you, Nesto, for the gift. It's gonna be surprise inside, guys. What's inside? Shout out, Nesto. Beka naman. A cup of coffee. White cup of coffee. One. A two. A 3 cup. Oh, 4 cup of coffee. And then the last one, 5 pieces white cup of coffee from Nesto Hypermarket. This hadiah or gift they give us or for me because I buy a lot today. Always I buy at Nesto, you know, guys. Thank you, Nesto.